getting many calls and requests on how to shampoo your synthetic wig. So today, Kim is going to take you step by step on just how easy it is to wash and dry your wig. First, gather your products. She will be using the Hair You Wear line starting with Cleanse, Restore, and Curl. And lastly, a wig mate that can be used for drying your wig. Since Kim's wig today is a heat-friendly fiber, she is first going to use a wide toothpick to make sure it is tangle-free. Remember to never use a brush or comb on this type of fiber. When you finish the detangling, start running the water for your wig in a sink or basin. It's perfectly fine to use warm water to loosen any products or makeup that may have gotten on the wig. Make sure to use plenty of shampoo to get your water nice and sudsy. It's also okay to add a little Dawn dishwashing soap for wigs that might have a heavy buildup. Let your wig soak plenty of time. Generally, we recommend 20 to 30 minutes at a minimum. Once the soaking time has elapsed, rinse the wig under cool running water until it runs clear and the wig is free from any trace of shampoo. Squeeze out the excess water and fold in a towel until most all the water has been absorbed. Liberally spray in your Restore leave-in conditioner and loosen any tangles. Since Kim's wig has curl, she is spraying in the Hair You Wear curl spray and scrunching it up a bit. One way to dry your wig is to tilt your shower head up and dry it upside down. The wig mate is great for drying, or could also be used for storage over a closet door. And finally, if you have one of these shower caddies or any hooks, they work great as well. It certainly doesn't take overnight to dry, but you always want to allow the inside cap plenty of time to dry. The hair itself isn't porous, so if you get caught in the rain or just dampen it, it'll be dry in no time. So as you can see, cleaning your wig is super easy and takes so little effort to look nice, fresh, and fixed again. Thanks for joining us. Have a great day.